Welcome to Rajgir, a historical city in Bihar. Today we are going to explore fascinating ancient shrine called Rajgir Karamkund. Let's dive into history, significance, and what makes it so unique. This is a beautiful place, Karamkund. This is known for hot water that dates back to the 6th century BC. It's believed to have been built during the region of Emperor Bimbisar, who was a follower of Lord Buddha. That site was not only a place of relaxation but also held a spiritual significance. This is a view of outdoor temple. So next we are going to Zarasan cave. So next we are going to Zarasan cave. Let's go. This is a Zarasan cave, dates back to the 3rd century BCE. It's believed to have been used by King Zarasan, a powerful ruler of Magad, as a hideout and a place of worship. And now we are going to Zarasan ka Akhada. This site is believed to be the battlefield where Bhim and one of the 5 Pandav brothers overpowered and killed legendary Zarasan. After 28 days of intense duel fight, traditionally called Mal Yudh. According to the great epic Mahabharata, Zarasan was son of the Brihadat, an extraordinary warrior and very powerful ruler of Magad kingdom. तो इसके लिए ये जाना जाता है और ये 5 पहाड़ियों से घिरा है जहाँ पे कृष्ण जी ने भीम और जरासंध के बीच युद्ध करवाया था. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.